Okay. Um, all right, everybody. This is going to be the video where I show you how to set up an ikfkMaster compatible rig using a genoma rig as a base. Um, it's going to be two videos because it was a little too long to have one video. So I'm just going to do a cut in the middle and there'll be two videos. So yeah, I hope you find it enlightening and educational. This is the guy that I'm going to use. I just threw together this simple little character. He's got a Genoma 2 biped inside him, the standard one. So I'm just going to send him to layout and we can get started. So let's start by just importing or creating the Genoma rig. Now I will warn you, this is going to be a little more technical than the previous tutorials that I've done with about ikfkMaster. It is a bit technical to set up, but it's reasonably quick. Hopefully I'll be able to get it done in about the 15 minutes. I don't want it to take much longer than that, but we'll see. All right, so this is what you get. You've got the stem. I'm going to move to frame 30 while I mess around with him. So you've got the genoma rig. He's got forward kinematics, and he's got a switch that you rotate. Sorry about that. You've got a switch that you rotate to get inverse kinematics. And you see it's already got the controllers appearing and disappearing. However, it's using dissolve, which means that, sorry, those forward kinematic controllers, the yellow ones, you can't see them, but I can still select them, which it's fine in like this case when they're not on top of each other, but if you're FK, but on this side, for example, I try and select that. If I miss, I can easily select the IK rig. That's a big weakness with using dissolve for hiding and showing controllers. And that's the only way to do it natively in layout unless you use a script like the one I have. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. So with genoma rigs, what I usually do is I set the first, let's go to FK control. Okay. Why can't I rotate it? What's going on here? Rotate, there you go. All right. And I am going to just rotate the arm forward a bit. Do the same thing with the other one, rotate it forward a bit. And then for the switches, I'm actually going to put them sort of in between. Because the genoma rig has the setup like this. You've got your IK controllers and FK controllers, and both of them are influencing the bone chain. So I'm doing this so that I can easily see all of the controllers. So all of these controllers and the mesh, and we're just going to do the arms. All of the controllers and the arms and the mesh need to have tags on them now because I don't want to rename things because I don't know what that does to Genoma. So I'm going to grab all of these things, and I'm also I have all the IKF controllers. I'll grab the switches as well, and I'm also going to grab the mesh itself, which is locked, so I have to select it in the scene editor. So I'll grab that guy too. Huh? Oh well, whatever. I'll just do this one first, and then all the other ones. So you got to start using the Manage Tags tool or the Tag Master tool, and here you can see the mesh Genoma puts a million tags on the mesh. I'm not entirely sure what these do. My guess is they have something to do with the refresh rig function or the update rig function, but I don't know entirely. So, but you just add a new tag at the bottom, and it should be called ikfk with big in capital letters, and then we just find a name for the guy. I'm going to call him Guy, and this is the rig with the bones in it, so it should be Guy Bones, like that. And I'm going to turn on parse mode with ikfk selected, so it only shows me the ikfk tag. So now I've got to go through all of these, do the same thing. Grab that, and the switch, and the switch, and pull, and hand. And I've got to set up the tags for those. So we'll do the new tag, tag identifier, so ikfk. And let's add a new tag, guy. Oh, I renamed him, sorry. So let's just check out the parse mode. So parse mode, yeah. All right, now we got a new tag, guy. So, so now these are all part of guy, but we have more to tell them. We need to set more stuff. So let's pick the FK controllers, the yellow ones. These are all, add a new tag. These are all FK. FK. Let's pick all the IK controllers. Okay. Add a new tag, and these are IK. Now let's add take the switches, add a new tag, and these are ikfk switch. And these names have to be exactly as I've written them there. On the web page, there are guides for exactly how the naming needs to be. So if you're ever curious about or not sure how the name or tag should be, just refer to the website, and it will tell you what needs to be there. So we've got the switches. I'm actually going to do something else for the switches, which here tells you the switch definition. And this actually is the switch definition for a genoma rig. So I'm going to copy that, which means it's rotation. The bank rotation between 100 and 0 is FK or IK to FK. So that's what that means. So I'm just going to head with both of those selected. I'm going to go ahead and make a new tag. I'm going to do a little thing here. I'm going to make both of them left arm for now. And I'm going to add a new tag. And I'm going to paste that at rotation B bank parentheses 100 comma 0. So now the switches are set up, except they're both for the left arm. So let's go ahead and make all of these. So this is left arm. This one's obviously the right arm. So let's just select that and make it right arm. So, and let's go ahead and select all of these, make them also right arm. And that one too, I forgot. Add new tag right arm. And the order is important. It has to. It's the owner, the type, and the part or group is what I've called it. It has to be in that order. And so that looks right. Right arm, and these should be left arm. Add new tag left arm. So now all of these are part of the same group. Now we need to define exactly what these are. So these are the poles. So pole. This does not have to be named anything in particular. And those two are the goal. And actually, no, and this one is the goal local. So I'm going to add a new tag and just do local. So those two, so that's left arm goal local, right arm goal local. These we have to pick, so these would be, right, yeah. Those are missing the F, this one's missing FK. So I'm actually going to make that FK, add a new tag, left arm. I don't know why I missed that, but I hope I didn't miss any others. That one looks right. Those look right. Yeah. So these two are left arm. Let's call them 1. So it says multiple there, but when you just select one, it says left arm 1, right arm 1. So and these would be 2. And these would be 3. I just put a number on them to distinguish them from one another. All right, so now those all have the tags they need. I'm going to go ahead and make all of these also these goals that may affect the arms, depending on if they've been moved. I'm going to make them part of the same character as well. Something is already part of the same group. Oh, that's the one that got messed up. That one is wrong. Let's remove that tag, but that's so remove. So let's make all of these part of guy. ikfk equals guy. Now, this is all you need. These are not ikfk controlled. They only have a single mode. So, and the only reason we're making them part of guy is so that we can use pose matching we can use pose matching while these are selected. That's really all they do. So those are now officially part of guy. ikfkMaster will be aware of them. I suppose we want to add those two. They look like controllers. So let's add those two. This can also be ikfk guy.